Hey guys, T here. I got a toaster that doesn't work, and I like toast. So the problem is that you push this down and it pops right back up before the heating element turns on. Not good if you want toast. So we're gonna see if we can't fix this. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get toasted. So this is what happens. Huh, nothing. Yeah, I can feel heat on this side. Nothing on this side. I think the first thing to do is clean it. Well, that's kind of embarrassing. My gosh, there's a couple of loaves of bread there. There's still lots of stuff in there. I think we'll have to take the bottom off. Years ago, toasters used to have a crumb tray. You could pull a crumb tray out and dump all that mess out and be done with it. Wait, huh, check this out. Crumb tray, look at this. I had no idea, I'd missed it. It was right here all the time. So, okay, we're gonna clean those boys out too. So we gotta get right in here with these two white connectors. Small one, large one. Let's see if we can get a hemostat in there. Okay, that's one. Okay, we got them both. There must be two on the other side too. It's a little easier to see. Let's see if we can get these. There's two catches in there that catch on these. We've got to release those somehow. These two white plastic pieces. And this one is bent. The bracket is bent. And I think the bracket being bent is hitting this. I can't figure out a way to get it all out of there or to get these off. So we're going to try to unbend that bracket from here. Good luck. So it looks like to me that this side of this bracket is bent. Looks like it's bent. Let's see if we can bend it, because I can't figure out a way to get it out. This is easy when you bust it. It's supposed to be made out of plastic. Seems to be a little better. I don't know. Well, that's all the bending we're going to do. We're going to hook it up and see if it works. We're hooking up again. Let's see if this is gonna, let's see if it works. Oh, I got heat. Get out. I got heat. Don't you just love it? I think we'll give it a clean up with some fine steel wool. If we can't clean some of this off. So that's it, a fixed toaster. I love it. So please subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.